How to create duplicated text in Affinity Photo. Duplicate linked text. So you change some text, it changes everywhere. Just create some text. Just going to go with any font, doesn't matter because you can change the font at any point. And I'm just going to go with the word text. That's a start point, as good a start point as anything. So with the word text, I can now duplicate link it. So layer and duplicate linked. And I can just move it down. I'm just going to move down just slightly. But now I can use Command or Control J to power transform it. And you'll notice if you look over at the layers panel, all these are duplicate linked. And this is in version 2. This does not work in version 1. You can manually do it via the layer menu and duplicate linked. So you got all this. Well, you'd think straight away now what you could do is duplicate link this. Can't do that. What you need to do is with all this selected, go to group, then right click and group. So they're all in a group. Now go to layer and you can't do it. But you can just hold down the Alt or Option key and drag. Do exactly the same as before. So now you can transform those. Command or Control J again, power transform. Now you'll see it's going slightly down. I've made a mistake. You can of course align it. Simply go select all of them and align. So they're all aligned. And also, because you've grouped it and you expand out this group, let's just expand, they're all still duplicate linked. Not the groups, the actual text. It's a workaround that seems to work. Otherwise, it doesn't seem to do it. If you try and duplicate link another way, it will fail. So you've got this design. And again, you can do exactly the same. You've got all these groups. You can go to here and you can group those as well. So they're all grouped. Hold down the Alt or Option key again. And this time, obviously not going to create multiple copies of it, but I can create different sized designs. That is not linked. The rotation, the scaling, that's not linked. The colour and the font and all that sort of stuff is. All those things are. So you've got this design now. You've got a very complex design very quickly. And they're all the same. So just go over here and you can expand this out. And you can see the word there, text. Now I could go and select a different one. You can see there. Now I can resize it individually. I'm not going to do that. I want to keep it uniform. But if I come over here and I can go, let's just change the colour. Change it to blue. They all change to blue. They all change to red. Also what will change is you can go over here, blend modes. And you can run through and you can see as you change it, subtract, exclusion. They're probably the best ones to use. But you can use negation, reflect, glow. But difference, let's just go with difference. You can use, now you can't apply effects. Can't apply effects, that will lose the duplicate linked. But what you can also do is you can again go and select the text, and there's the text there. Go to the artistic text tool and select it. Sometimes a bit tricky to select the word, but select it. And you say, I don't want text, I want the word T, just letter T. Just type T. And now you've got T or E. And you can see each and every one will change to T and E. But also what you can do, of course, you don't have to, let's just go with the word text again, perfectly reasonable. It could be anything. I've just gone for the word, but you can actually select the word XT, change the colour of that one, and go with blue. And then you can see the difference, and all the other colour blends, they will actually kick in. So you can create some very unusual text designs. And of course, you don't have to keep it uniform like this. You can change it, move it around, tweak it, but I'm just going for the uniform look. But you don't have to. Also, you can select maybe parts of the word again. Doesn't have to be the whole word. Instead of bold, you can go for medium or light. Just change it so they will change, the other one won't. Or semi-bold or bold. Or maybe go up here and go for Alfern or Apple and so on. Also, of course, there's colour emoji. That one doesn't seem to do anything. Arial black. and you can go through all the different fonts you've got. And you can also change the size. So instead of 29, you can see you can increase it. Obviously, it gets a bit messy there. But you can see you can reduce it or increase it, and you can create a variety of different designs. Or maybe use some of the other options, because there are others. Window, text, and character. And text styles, you've got those as well. So character. So there's the character there. And you could go, let's go for this one. You can see as you change that, they all change. Or maybe go for the expand it out like that. Again, or go the other way. So increase that, or maybe slant. Again, obviously the colours, how it combines will all vary. And you've got other typography that you can use. You can put lines through them and so on. Literally infinite combinations. And of course, not all fonts are, you've got fun ones. So just try them out. Something like that. A whole range of different designs can be created just by changing one of the text characters, and you can change the words, anything in thing. It is still text. As long as it remains text here, you can tweak it and change it again, put it back to a single character if you want to do that, and so on. And of course, at any point, let's just move this on so you can actually see it again. Obviously, you can make a bit of a mess, but also you can create some really interesting combinations. You don't have to do it at the angle I've done it. You can do it at different angles, different sets of characters, different positions, different layouts, maybe based on maybe an image, photo. You put them in different layers. Those letters will, all those words will change as you change one piece of text. So it's literally infinite amount of designs you can create using this approach with text. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.